How to connect Instagram to a Facebook page. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook or Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of connecting your Instagram profile to a Facebook page. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we need to make sure that our Instagram profile is considered a business account because that allows it to connect to a Facebook page. So in order to do that, open up Instagram on your iPhone or Android phone, then select your profile icon in the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, select the three lines in the top right to open up the menu, and then in the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll almost to the bottom, and you'll see for professionals, select Account Type and Tools, and we just want to select Switch to Professional Account. From there, go through this process, select Continue to learn more about it. Then we need to pick the category that best describes our Instagram profile. I'm going to do digital creator, and you can also display this on your profile. From there, select done. Then where it says, are you a creator? Select business. And then next. After that, you can add some contact information, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to select don't use my contact info. Now you'll get to the screen that says connect a Facebook page. From here, simply select log into Facebook. Once you log in, you can then select the page that you want to connect to. So select that page and then select connect. Now we can go through different steps to set up our professional account on Instagram, but you don't have to, so I'm going to select the X. And now we have connected Instagram to our Facebook page. Now, if you wanted to do this in the Facebook app, once you have the Facebook app open, you want to switch to the Facebook page profile. So select menu, then select the drop down, and in the list, make sure you select your Facebook page. Once you do that, from the menu here, select the gear, and then we want to select linked accounts. Now in linked accounts, simply select Instagram, then connect account, and then select continue to connect Instagram to Facebook. It'll then open up Instagram where we need to log in. Once you get logged in, simply select login as your username. It'll then bring you to Instagram, and then it will say Instagram connected. From there, we can select OK. Then if you toggle this on, it'll share your Facebook post to Instagram. From there, select confirm at the bottom, and now we have connected our Instagram to a Facebook page. All right, so that's how you connect Instagram to Facebook page. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram or Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.